Alright, so good morning everyone. Stock Master back here with another video for you guys. Today we're going to look at ticker symbol NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals. Right now NAK is talked through social media everywhere, everyone's talking about it. And one of the reasons is because it jumped 22% today, and it's a penny stock. Of course, before we start, I would like to go talk about something really fast. So, of course, if you like my content, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and try to watch through the whole video. Today's going to be a short video. I'm just gonna look through this really fast because NAK, I'm not really bullish on it yet, but it has a lot of potential for you, those people that do want to buy into it. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because I have talked about a lot of stocks that are winners, right? So right now, WBA Walgreens is booming. I made a video on that. I made a video on Intel. Intel grew today. I made a video on it's called BNGL when it right before it boomed. I did a stock alert video, and of course I also did a video on CTRM. It jumped today, so I have a lot of videos coming up for you guys. And of course NAK today, there's a potential for it to boom tomorrow. So it's a good, it's called, you could make good money really quick. All right, so let's get into this. NAK, it's small market cap, 293 million. 1 year target price 250 for Yahoo Finance, right? And of course, the volume is 112 right now. So a lot of selling, a lot of buying. And right now, this is considered overvalued, but to me, I think they're actually undervalued because they're nowhere near their price that they were in the past. Of course, I want to know why the price dropped from July to August, right? So I found the reason why. The reason why it dropped is because in August, an article came out or news came out that the Republican Party might block their Pebble Mine project, and investors got scared and they left. So the stock plummeted. Of course, recently the shares have went up 18%, right? January 13th. So why is that? Well, things that a lot of brokerage have made comments on NAK. They're basically giving NAK a new price target. And even though some of them are saying, it's from hold to sell, but the things that if you look at the numbers, 325, 170, 115, 161, it's still 2, 3, 4, 5 times the current price is sitting at, right? And that's still profitable for short sellers, and that's why everyone's investing. Of course, at the same time, a lot of institutional investors are buying shares from NAK, which is good for the company. That means that actual credible investors are investing in NAK. They believe that NAK could grow, and I believe that it's all speculation, but I believe that the reason why NAK is more bullish right now is because of the new administration that came in recently. So of course, with Biden coming in, the Democrats are in now. They might, and NAK might be like, hey, we might be able to get our project passed, and so on. So that's part of why NAK is booming. One of the reasons. And of course, just like a lot of you guys, I heard about the hype, but I don't even know what NAK is. So I did a little research, and they're a mining company basically. The Pebble Project is the world's largest undeveloped copper gold silver resource. So basically, it's one it's a project still, so they don't have a mine yet, but it's in the works basically, and they're under the title called the Pebble Project. So more information, I was like, let me check out the website. Here's the website, Pebble Project website. If you want to, you could look at this for yourself. They have a lot of different stuff here. Press release, presentations, and at the same time, they have their own website for NAK too. All right. And of course, let's look at this mission, right? For me, mission of companies is pretty important. So what are they trying to do? They're basically trying to design a modern mine that can coexist with healthy fish and wildlife population. So in the past, mine is not good for air quality. It's not good for its environment. Well, with NAK, they're trying to come in. They're trying to say we could coexist with these wildlife environment, and even with it's called social well-being of Alaskans, right? So the population, the community, they want to coexist with the community, and that's a good thing for this company to have this kind of vision because that way investors will invest more, and people will more likely approve it to happen. And of course, for me, financial is really important. I want to see if this is a growing company or a fast-growing or a slow-growing company. So the shares over the years have grown in quantity, 313 million in 2018, 422 million in 2019, right? But the thing is that at the end of the day, the equity 2018 equity was 148,000, and then at the end 2019, even though the shares rose, they had more deficit, more debt, I guess, 138,000. And of course, I want to look at 2020, right? See how they did. Actually, did pretty decent. They grew, so they grew about 50,000 more in general, and of course, shares rose 200 millions more, okay, and so on, 190 plus million more. So they're a growing company, but it's not fast growth. It's slow growth, and if you want to hold long term, it's possible, but we don't know what's going to happen yet, and I'll talk about that at the end. So corporate strategy, we were talking about that. Management, they have a lot of people within management, so definitely look it up if you want. And board directors. And like I said, it's a quick video about NAK just to do a little DD on it for you guys. And for me personally, right? So let me talk about my personal opinion of this stock. I believe that for me myself, this stock is a good, not long-term investing, but short-term investing for me. I would short sell it, because right now it's hyped up within the market, right? So everyone's talking about it. It's a hot stock right now, and I believe that it could probably reach $1 and then get out. So it could double up, or even if it's like 75 cents, I make a quick profit, get out, use that money to invest in other plays I have already, and so on. But if you want to hold long term, as long as they get the mining project approved, this stock will do well. And of course, if investors keep investing, this stock will do well too. So do your own DD, invest at your own risk, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.